Welcome to our IBM RPGLE tutorial on the %equal built-in function. In this video, we'll explore how %equal is used to determine if a specific record exists in a file based on a key value. Let's dive into the details with a practical example. The %equal built-in function is used in conjunction with operation like SETLL and LOOKUP to check if a record with a specific key exists in a file. It returns on if a record with a key matching the value in factor 1 is found, otherwise it returns OFF. With SETLL operation %equal checks if a record exists in the file with keys equal to the value specified. It returns on if a match is found. With lookup operation, %equal returns on if an element exactly matches the key in factor 1. Here's a simple RPGLE example to demonstrate the use of %equal. File declaration. DCLF declare the file myfile for input operation and associates it with the external file named myfile. DCLS declares a search key variable search key with a length of 10 characters and indicator variable found to check if the record is found. SETLL search key myfile positions the file to the key value specified in search key. This prepares the file of record loop. This line here uses %equal to determine if a record with the key search key exists in myfile. If a match is found, will be set to on. The if found statement checks if the record was found. If true, you can proceed with additional logic. Otherwise, you display a record not found message. By using %equal, you can effectively verify the presence of a record in your file, enhancing the functionality and reliability of your RPGLE programs. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on %equal built-in function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more RPGLE tips and tricks. Happy coding!